Okay, so before proceeding further, let's start with the introduction first, maybe.
Of course, of course, of course, of course,
Okay.
of course. So first of all, I'm going to introduce myself. Okay.
Please.
My name is Deepak Burman, and I live in West Bengal. I'm from West Bengal. If I talk about my educational qualification, I have completed my higher secondary education, 12th standard. After that, I could not continue my study, and I have some hobbies like watching YouTube educational videos and listening to music. And nowadays, I'm interested in learning English language. I'm trying to learn this language. That's all about myself.
Okay, that's okay. So I think it's my turn now. So let me introduce myself as well. So as you know, my name is Ghanendra Bhardwaj, and I'm calling you from Uttar Pradesh, Ghaziabad. And recently, I've completed my graduation. And as far as my hobbies are concerned, I like to play cricket and listen to the music. That's all about me.
So, do you have YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
How is going your YouTube channel?
Actually, it's not going well because I'm not consistent enough on my YouTube channel. I'm not consistent. From past 2 months. So now I'm trying to restart my journey of YouTube again. So that's why I started having conversation. Even I quit my practice as well. So yeah.
Okay. So, how many subscribers got?
So far I have over 600 subscribers.
So, yeah, lots of subscribers got. It's okay. Day by day, you can improve.
So as you just a while ago you have mentioned that you love to listen to the music. So what kind of music do you listen to?
Yeah, everything. My mother tongue is Bengali, so sometime I listen Bengali music and sometime I listen Hindi music. And definitely, it could be old. I always like to listening old music.
Okay. So would you like to throw a light on your favorite singer? Like, would you just mind sharing me like who is your favorite singer?
Yeah, of course, of course. Actually, there is no any specific singer who I like very much. Yeah, I like uh, uh, Sonu Nigam, Udit Narayan, yeah, Kishore Kumar also, and Kumar Sanu. Yeah, I like.
That's great. The choice is great. Like I also like their songs as well. Like my native language is Hindi, so I listen their song in Hindi language. Okay, so
So,
so what else do you do apart from having conversation? What else do you do?
yeah, actually, recently I have joined a small finance company, and I am working in this company. Apart from that, I am trying to, I mentioned, I am trying to improve my spoken English because nowadays English language is how many important of our professional life and in our personal life.
Yeah, in everyday life, it has become necessity. for us to learn this language. You know, yeah, because you get a it opens up a lot of door for opportunities. You know, in future, like if you have the knowledge of this language, then you would get uh, advantage.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, knowing English language, we can do lots of things. We can improve our personality. We can communication with broad people, another country. Yeah. If we want to go anywhere, we can communicate easily with them.
There are so many advantages of learning this language. So,
And
but
we are living in age of globalization. So that's why in my opinion, English language is so much necessary for everyone. Hmm.
right,
Better
even
life. Better life.
yeah, if you use your mobile, then you see everything is in English, unless you have changed your the settings, in Hindi or in Hindi or in your native language. Otherwise, the all the things are in English in your mobile as well. So it has become the necessities, and in my case particularly, I'm learning this language because I am about to complete my graduation. Actually, I completed my graduation, so I have to look up for the interviews. So in future, obviously I'm gonna uh, attend interviews, and that interviews are conducted in Hindi English language only, most of the time. So there is a need for me to learn this language. So, and apart from that, now it has become my hobby to learn this language. Earlier it was my purpose to learn this language was to crack the interviews or impress someone, and so on. But right now my there is no goal for it behind it. I just learning it as a hobby. It's become my hobby. Like whenever I get free time, I don't think of anything. I just drop a message on the group and start having the conversation. That's how important it has become for me.
Yes, yes. Yes, actually, same to you and same to you. I am also doing same thing, and yeah, you are doing good. Actually, we have to learn this language, and in my opinion, it's compulsory for everyone. But I have one question. So, in which subject have you done your graduation?
Uh, Graduation I have done in English language, but before that, like up to 12th, my whole syllabus was in Hindi language. And when I entered my graduation, then I found a lot of difficulties while learning about my syllabus, because every book was in English language. No, even a single word was not in Hindi language or in my native language. So I had to work, hard work. So I made a decision to learn this language. And yeah, earlier I was just learning it as a kind of subject. I was learning only grammar, so that I can comprehend my syllabus, I can understand my syllabus. But later on I realized that I should move towards spoken English as well. So I started having conversation, and that's how I started my journey.
Yes, yes. So, how long have you been learning this language? When you start this language?
Speaking, I have started in the month of January of 2024. Like in this year itself, I started my journey.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, same to you. I am also studying this year. Yeah, around maybe January, February.
That's great. And so, how many conversation do you make per day?
Actually, I have completed. I don't know. I can't say proper
Yeah,
word. But
every
yeah, it's
day.
25, 26 to 30.
And what
Around.
about like every day? How many conversation do you make? Like, how many conversation have you made today so far?
Actually, I try to every day one conversation complete in every day in, but I can't able, but I am not able because I have a lots of work and as I mentioned you, I'm joined a financial company, so I have to do lots of things. Yeah, I have lots of responsibility. Yeah. But whenever I try, sometime I try to speak with people because for fluent in English, speak is very compulsory. Without
Right.
this, we can't fluent in English.
Yeah. I think like 3 months are remaining from now. Almost 3 months uh, to 2025. So we can, improve ourselves a lot. So we can reach to any, at a good level by the end of this year. So I think we should be more consistent, and by the 2025 we can become a kind of fluent speaker, or not even a fluent speaker. We can become a good speaker. Who can communicate with everyone. A confident speaker. So yeah, try to have at least one conversation a day per day.
Yes, yes, yes. We should try. Yeah, at least one conversation in a day. Yeah, of course.
You can spare 15 minutes, like 15 to 20 minutes in a day easily. I think.
But yeah, we have recently we have lots of opportunity uh, available in our generation because now technology is on lots of improvement. Yeah,
Right.
we can make our environment, English speaking environment, using this smartphone, our smartphone. Yeah.
Right. Okay, so do you use social media? Any social media application like Facebook, Instagram, or anything?
Yeah, I have uh, hmm, Facebook account, but am not active on my Facebook account because I don't like Facebook. Yeah, I always try I active on YouTube
Okay,
and
yeah.
watch English video.
Okay, yeah, because YouTube have informative content and regarding education. And but when you go any other platform like Instagram and or in Facebook, then there are so many what I can say, like it makes us distracted. So like we should be far away from all of this.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, we can do anything. We can learn anything using using YouTube, watching YouTube videos. By watching YouTube videos, there are lots of content. Yeah, uh, which will be useful for us. If
Right.
you if our intention is strong, then we can learn anything by watching it.
Right.
English language also. If I want to learn English language without join any coaching center, without join any online courses, yeah, we can do only watching YouTube videos.
Yeah, like internet plays a very crucial role in our life. Even like by just YouTube only we can learn so many things. We don't need to go any offline coaching or online coaches and all that. We can just go on YouTube and we can search whatever we want to learn, and the video will be there. Okay, the video is there. You can watch that video and you can upskill yourself. You know, and you can ace in that particular skill. That's really important. And yeah.
Yeah. When bro, when I start to learning this language, on that time I was not able to understand any single word, and I was not able to speak any single word. Yeah. And there is one interesting thing. When I was in class 10, I failed in English subject.
Okay.
But after starting learning English language, I improved lots of things,
Oh,
and only watching YouTube videos.
that's great. That's impressive, I think.
So that's why I want to say, if our intention is strong, then we can learn anything by watching YouTube videos.
Exactly, you're right. Yeah. We we should be dedicated enough, and if our goals are high, so nobody can stop us. So you did a very remarkable job, I would say, and hats off to you, because you failed in 10th, English exam, and you are now speaking very well. So that's a great or huge achievement, I would say. So great, you have acquired a great amount of knowledge in this field. So great, bro. Just keep it up.
So recently you are doing MA
No,
master
I'm
degree.
not pursuing MA. Just recently, I got graduated. I was pursuing BTech in computer science.
BTech. You are doing or you want to do BTech?
Yeah, I'm not doing right now. I have completed.
BTech completed.
Yeah, I've completed.
Okay, okay. So you have computer knowledge.
Yeah, you can
Okay.
say. Okay, so bro, if you don't mind, we can wrap up this session right now because I got some work, so I gotta go right now.
Yeah,
So
of course, we can pop up this session. Yeah, of course. But yeah, good. Thank you and for giving me your precious time. Yeah.
thank you
Have a
too.
nice
Thanks to you. It was a beautiful conversation with you. Bye. Take care.
day.